Most students fail financial accounting because they don't understand this one formula. The accounting equation, assets equals liabilities plus equity. Master this, and you have covered 30% of your exam. Let's break it down. Assets. What does it mean? Assets are what the business owns. These are resources that bring future benefit to the company. Examples: cash in hand, money in bank, stock of goods, furniture, buildings, and vehicles. Without assets, a business cannot operate. Next is liabilities. What are liabilities? Liabilities are what the business owes to other people. These are debts and obligations the company must pay in future. Examples include bank loans, creditors who supplied goods on credit, bills payable, and bank overdraft. Remember, liabilities are not bad. They help the business to grow. The last part is equity, also called capital. Equity is what belongs to the owner of the business. It is the owner's claim on the assets after paying all liabilities. If you start with 100,000 and the business makes profit, your equity increases. Key rule: the left side must always equal the right side. Assets must equal liabilities plus equity. If your figures do not balance, you have made a mistake somewhere. This rule never changes. Example 1. Started business with 100,000 cash. Cash asset increased by 100,000. So we write assets plus 100,000. Owner invested money. Equity increased by 100,000. So equity plus 100,000. Check. 100,000 equals 0 plus 100,000. It balances. Example 2. Bought inventory worth 20,000 on credit. Stock asset increased by 20,000. So assets plus 20,000. We owe supply liabilities increased by 20,000. So liabilities plus 20,000. Check. 20,000 equals 20,000 plus 0. Perfect. Example 3. Bought furniture 50,000. Paid 20,000 cash. Balance on credit. Furniture asset increased 50,000. Cash asset decreased 20,000. Net assets plus 30,000. We owe 30,000. Liabilities increased 30,000. Check. 30,000 equals 30,000 plus 0. Balances. Practice question for you. Received 40,000 cash from a customer. How does it affect the equation? Think about it. Cash goes up. Equity goes up. Solution. Cash asset increased 40,000. So assets plus 40. It was a sale. So income increased. Income increases equity. So equity plus 40,000. 40,000 equals 0 plus 40,000. Correct. Summary. The accounting equation is the foundation of all accounting. Every transaction affects at least two parts and it must balance. Comment equation for free practice questions PDF. Next video. Double entry system. Subscribe to pass CPA.